Good morning, Pop Pops Bees. We got some bottom boards painted yesterday, so now we're ready to put some screen in them. Show you how we do that real quick. So, if any of you ever cut hardware cloth, it can be a real pain. So what I've done is I've took my straight edge, put me a mark on the table. Okay, I've measured out for my 10 frames. That's here. That's 110 frame. Marked it out here. That's another 10 frame. Okay, this piece of scrap, this will be scrap in the middle, and that'll work great for a 5-frame screen bottom board. We're using hardware cloth that I ordered the whole roll from Tractor Supply. That's the model, 36 inches wide by 50 foot long, 1/8 inch hardware cloth. So if any of you have ever messed with the hardware cloth, it can be a royal pain. And this is what I came up with to make my life easier to cut the hardware cloth. So I'm going to try to get y'all in a position where you can actually see what I am doing. All right, so we take the hardware cloth and we roll it out to our straight edge. Whole lot easier if you got a flat working surface. This table, I thought this table was the best thing in the world I ever did. I did have to sand it down this morning. The amount of glue that was building up on it was getting a little ridiculous. So clamp both ends of that hardware cloth down just to hold it. Now I've got my mark on the table that I showed you earlier. I can take and run the cutters right down that mark. That's going to give me a straight cut. Go ahead and cut it all the way across. I have tried to wrestle with this stuff and cut it straight. And this is what we finally came up with. It seemed to work real good. That's the way I've come up with it, at least. That's why we have these YouTubes, so we can see how everybody else is doing stuff. Make our lives a little easier. So that's cut all the way across. Now I come to my width for my screen. Make that cut. My other width, make that cut. Put your other hand on it while you're cutting these, just to keep it from moving all around. And like I said, this will give you about the straightest cut I have found messing with this different stuff. Maybe some people don't have the issues with it that I do, but you know, my mom always told me I was special. So now there's your bottom board. Take and place that up there. Pre-measured, so we know we got exactly what we wanted. Take my stapler and I start in one corner position. Start one corner. Then we're going to work our way down, pulling on it as we work our way down. Across the back, doing the same thing. I'm pulling it to me as I'm stapling it. Work down this other side. this corner and start across the front. This one wants to give me a little raised up piece here. So we're gonna put it by the front door. As long as we get her sealed up. Should be all right. There you go. Screen bottom board. Complete. Got our tracks for a mic board. We're good to go. So let's do another 138 of those. Y'all have a good day. I hope that helped somebody. Please like, please subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments and we will get to them as soon as we can. Y'all have a good day.